What's going on, ladies and gentlemen, internet? I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to get better fuel mileage out of your car. But before I do that, I need you to like, comment, share, subscribe. Smash that like button. Tip number 1, air pressure. Your tire has air pressure on it. See, this one says 51 PSI max. Don't go by that. That's just what the tire can handle before it actually explodes. What you want is right here inside your driver's door, there's this yellow sticker. And it tells you tire size, PSI cold. That's what you want to fill it to. Next thing, easiest thing to check. Air filter. Your engine's got to be able to breathe. If it can't breathe, well, it's doing a lot of hard work and it's sucking in fuel really bad. And the third, change your oil. Most manufacturers go 5,000 miles or 6 months. Well, that's what Ford recommends. Some are 10,000 miles. What I would recommend is, if you're not sure, do the rule of thumb, 3,000 miles, 3 months. Now, if you'll notice, mine says 5W20. If your oil cap doesn't tell you, you can look it up online to see what kind. You can go to pretty much any oil manufacturer and it'll tell you what weight. If it says 5W20 and you put a 5W30 in it, not really going to harm anything. It's just going to be a little bit thicker when it's up at operating temperature. If you put a 10W30 in it, that's bad. That would be the equivalent of you sucking a milkshake through a coffee straw. Your engine's working a whole lot harder to try to pump oil through the system, and it's using so much fuel to do it. So there's 3 tips. Use the correct weight oil, change your air filter, and check your air pressure. Remember, use the sticker inside the door. A 4th bonus one is your braking. If you're really hard on the brakes, your gas mileage is going to go down. Be a little bit easier on the brakes. So remember, check your oil, change it when you need to. Check your air filter. Air filters are inexpensive. Engine's got to be able to breathe. When it breathes, it's not using so much fuel. And air pressure. Do not use the air pressure that's on the tire. That's just what the tire is rated for. Okay? Pretty simple. Like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.